The Altcoin Season Index just hit 17. Bitcoin dominance is crushing altcoins. And everyone's asking the same question: where is alt season? But here's what nobody's telling you. Alt season already happened. You just missed it. And the next one? It's going to break every rule you know. I'm representative of Shamim Enterprises, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you why everything you learned about altcoin season in 2017 and 2021 is now completely obsolete. Stay with me. This could save your portfolio. Let me paint you a picture of December 2025. Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $126,210 back in October. It's now trading around $90,000. That's a classic setup for alt season, right? Raw. The Altcoin Season Index, which measures how many of the top 100 coins outperform Bitcoin, is sitting at just 17 to 20. To put that in perspective, anything above 75 is considered alt season. We're not even close. Ethereum, down 18% for the year, trading around $3,100. DeFi total value locked, crashed 30% from its December 2024 peak of $137 billion down to just $94 billion today. So what happened? Why did the traditional alt-season playbook fail? That's what we're diving into today. To understand where we are, you need to understand where we've been. Let me take you back. In 2017, Bitcoin dominance collapsed from 86% to just 38%. Everything with a white paper and a Telegram group went 100 times. That was alt season 1.0. In 2021, it happened again. Bitcoin dominance dropped from 70% to 38%. DeFi summer, NFT mania, play-to-earn gaming. Large cap altcoins returned 174% while Bitcoin did just 2%. The Altcoin Season Index hit 98 in April 2021. Your barber was talking about dog coins. Both cycles followed the same pattern. Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin rallies to new highs. Profits rotate into altcoins. Like clockwork. April 2024, we got the halving. Bitcoin did its job, surged to $126,000 in October 2025. Everything was set up perfectly. Except the altcoin explosion never came. Why? Here's what changed. For massive structural shifts that nobody's talking about. Shift number 1. Token dilution. In 2017, there were about 1,000 tradable tokens. In 2021, maybe 10,000. Today, millions. Not thousands. Millions of tokens competing for the same capital. Even if $500 billion flooded into crypto tomorrow, spread across tens of thousands of projects, most wouldn't move. The math is brutal. There's just too much supply. Shift number 2. Institutional invasion. Pension funds and family offices don't FOMO into meme coins. They deploy capital through ETFs into regulated markets. Ethereum futures hit $26 billion in open interest. Institutional holdings in Ethereum exceeded $13 billion. This creates a bifurcated market. The top 50 coins get institutional money and act like traditional assets. The other 9,950 tokens? They're fighting over retail scraps in a zero-sum war. But that's just the beginning. In the next part, I'm going to reveal the other 2 structural changes, why alt season briefly appeared in late 2024 and failed within weeks, and most importantly, the exact playbook for what's coming next in 2026.
Let's continue with the remaining 2 structural shifts that killed traditional alt season. DeFi TVL peaked at $255 billion in 2021. Today, $94 billion. That's a 63% collapse from the peak. And it gets worse. It dropped 30% in just the last few weeks from $137 billion. The smart money learned their lesson. Protocols get hacked. Projects get rug pulled. Regulations shut things down. Nobody wants to lock capital on-chain for months anymore. 2017 had ICOs. 2021 had DeFi summer and NFTs. 2025 has, what? AI agents? DePIN? Real-world assets? These narratives are actually more legitimate than past cycles. But they don't meme. Decentralized physical infrastructure doesn't create FOMO like Dog Coin Go Moon did. The market has narrative fatigue. We've seen this movie before. Here's the thing most people don't realize: alt season did try to happen. In late 2024, November and early December 2024, Bitcoin dominance dropped from 61% to 54%. The Altcoin Season Index hit 87 on December 4th, 2024, right after Trump's election victory. Ethereum surged to $3,900. Everyone thought this is it. Finally, it lasted 3 weeks. Bitcoin surged past $100,000, then kept climbing. Dominance reasserted itself. By December 2025, right now, the Altcoin Season Index is at 17. That brief window closed. That wasn't the alt season. That was a false start. A warning shot that most people missed. So here's the million-dollar question. Is alt season dead forever? No, but it's going to be completely different. Some analysts believe Bitcoin dominance has been in an impulsive uptrend, and altcoins may find their bottom by end of December, starting their rally January through April 2026. But forget everything you know. The next alt season won't be everything pumps. It'll be surgical, selective, professional. Number 1, focus on institutional accessibility. Does this project have a path to an ETF? Regulatory clarity? Corporate partnerships? If no, you're fighting uphill. Number 2, demand working products. Revenue-generating protocols with real users will crush vaporware. The market's too mature for promises now. Number 3, understand the bifurcation. There are two markets, institutional plays like ETH and SOL that grind higher slowly, and Deegan plays that pump 500% then crash 90%. Pick your game and stick to it. Number 4, watch derivatives first. Institutional money shows up in futures before spot. If open interest and funding rates rise, accumulation is happening. Number 5, liquidity is everything. In a fragmented market, projects with deep liquidity across multiple venues will absorb disproportionate capital. Liquidity attracts liquidity. And here's your key signal, the ETH/BTC ratio. It's at its lowest since 2020. Ethereum down 18% for the year while Bitcoin made new all-time highs. When that ratio breaks upward, and it will, that's your signal. Ethereum leads all coins. Always has. Always will. Look, I know this isn't what you wanted to hear. Everyone wants me to say alt season next week, buy these 10 coins, get rich quick. But I'd rather give you the truth. The 2021 alt season where random projects did 100x, that's probably gone forever. Too many tokens. Too much institutional control. Too much regulatory oversight. But here's the good news. Opportunities for smart investors are actually better now. Quality matters. Real projects with real revenue are decoupling from the garbage. When the next alt season comes, and it will come, it won't be random. It'll reward research, patience, selectivity, due diligence. Bitcoin at $90,000 after hitting $126,000. DeFi TVL down 30% in weeks. Altcoin Season Index at 17. Ethereum down 18% for the year. These aren't bearish signals. These are loading signals for those who know what to watch. The question isn't, when is alt season? The question is, are you positioned for the alt season that's coming in 2026, or are you still waiting for the 2021 version that's never coming back? If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening in crypto right now, do us a favor, smash that like button and subscribe to Shamam Enterprises. We cut through the hype and give you the real data. No moo boy BS. No paid shills. Just honest analysis. Drop a comment below. Do you think we'll see a traditional alt season in 2026, or is that era completely over? We read every single comment and we want your take. And if you want the full deep dive article with all the charts, data, and technical analysis, check the Substack post link in the description below. It's completely free. I'm representing Shamam Enterprises. Stay sharp, stay selective, and remember, in crypto, the herd is always wrong. I'll see you in the next one.